Hey guys, welcome back, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. So when you open your TikTok app and go right here on profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then from here tap on settings and privacy. Now here, scroll down to the bottom and try to tap on this switch account. So if you tap on that switch account, you can just sign up using your Facebook. So from here, you need to tap on this continue with Facebook. So when you tap this continue with Facebook, you will go right here on this page where you can actually see that it will now connecting your Facebook to your TikTok. So all you need to do is just tap this continue button. Now, and then once you've done signing up using your Facebook account, you want to go right here and click on this login button. Now from here, you can now log in and continue with your Facebook account. So that's how you basically connect your TikTok to Facebook and Facebook to your TikTok account. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.